Feeling lost in Excel interface? Don't worry. Whether you are preparing for an Excel exam, aiming to ace any interview, or leveling up your Excel skills for work, you found the right video. Hi, I am Tayyab, and today I'll show you how to master Excel essential features in no time. By the end, you'll navigate Excel like a pro and be ready to tackle any challenge. To keep things simple and efficient, I've added quick access timestamp in the description box. Use them to jump straight to any section you need. Make sure to open a new Excel workbook and follow along with me. Ready to become an Excel expert? Let's do this. Now that we have opened our Excel workbook, let's explore one of the most powerful features, the ribbon. Think of the ribbon as your command center. Everything you need is right here, organized into easy navigate tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and more. Each tab is packed with tools designed for a specific task. The Home tab lets you format, edit, and use clipboard. The Insert tab is perfect for editing visuals like charts, tables, and images to make your data pop. As we continue through this tutorial, we will walk through each tab briefly and highlight their key features so you are fully equipped to use the ribbon like a pro. Great job. Now let's dive into the File tab, Excel Backstage area for managing files and setting. The File tab or the Backstage view is where you manage your workbook and personalize Excel setting. It's your go-to for opening, saving, printing, and customizing your files. You also find options to save work in different formats such as a PDF or templates. Need to adjust setting for smoother workflow, the option menu is your friend. It's where you can customize the ribbon and quick access toolbar to fit your needs. If you are interested in exploring more about the File tab and the startup screen, check the part 2 of this tutorial series where I dive into the Excel startup screen in details. You'll find the link to that video in the description box below. Well done. Now let's move on to the Quick Access Toolbar, a game changer for boosting your productivity. The Quick Access Toolbar is a customizable feature that sits above the ribbon, giving you instant access to tools you most use. By default, it includes save, do, redo, but you can customize it with any command that suits your workflow. For instance, adding a shortcut like print preview or quick analysis can save your valuable time, especially in exam or interview scenario where speed is crucial. Awesome. Next, let's explore the Home tab. The Home tab is your main hub for formatting and organizing data in Excel. It's where you find all essential tools to make your spreadsheet look professional and well structured. Let's explore each feature step by step. First, we have the font options. This is where you can customize text style, adjusting the font type, size, color, and even applying bold or italic. Next, we have the alignment group. This section helps you to control positioning your text within cell. Moving along, the number formatting option are perfect for showing percentages, currency, or dates. Now let's check out the styles group. Here you can quickly apply preset style to give your spreadsheet a consistent and polished look. Finally, we have options for inserting, deleting, and formatting cells in cells group. Those tools help you to structure your data efficiently. Now let's dive into a powerful feature with the Home tab, the dialog box launcher. You'll notice a small arrow icon in the corner of each groups like alignment and font. This tiny button opens up advanced setting specifically to that group. For instance, in the alignment group, clicking on the dialog box launcher brings up a format cell window. Here you have options like adjusting text orientation and enabling text wrapping. These tools are perfect to fine tune your spreadsheet layout and making it look more professional. Fantastic job. I hope you are enjoying the tutorial so far. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Let's move forward and bring your data into live with the Insert tab. The Insert tab is all about turning your raw data into engaging visuals. Let's explore its features step by step. First, we have tables, an essential tools for structuring your data efficiently. Next, we have illustration, perfect for adding shape, smart arts, or icon. These versatile tools allow you to create professional looking diagrams, charts, and visual representation quickly and easy. Lastly, charts. This is where you can transfer numbers into visuals like bar charts, line charts, or pie charts. Well done. Now let's focus on perfecting your spreadsheet appearance with the Page Layout tab. The Page Layout tab provides the finishing touch of your spreadsheet, making it ideal for preparing them for printing or presentation. Here is what each section offers. First, we have themes. This is your shortcut for applying consistent colors and fonts throughout your workbook. Next, we have the page setup. This section is crucial when you are getting ready to print. You can adjust margins, orientation, and set the print area. Right beside that is scale to fit. This is a great when you want to make sure your spreadsheet fits neatly onto one page. Moving forward, we have sheet option. Lets you control the visibility of grid lines and headings. You can decide whether you show or hide these elements both on screen and when printed. Finally, we have the arrange section. It's all about aligning and organizing objects like charts or images. This is key for ensuring everything in your spreadsheet looks balanced and visually appealing. Next, let's unlock the power of the Formula tab where Excel's true magics happen. The Formula tab in Excel is designed to streamline calculation, data management, and troubleshooting. Each group in this tab enhance your workflow by making complex tasks more manageable. Let's go through them step by step. Starting with function library, this core groups offers essential functions organized by categories. Begin with the auto sum for quickly totals, then explore specialized functions like financials, logical text, and lookup and reference. For targeted collections with functions grouped by purpose, it's easy to find the right tool for automate and analyze data. Next, we have define names, which makes your formula uh, clearer and reduce error by allowing you to create custom names for cells or ranges. Use name manager to organize these names and easily insert them into your calculation with use in formula. This group simplifies your formulas, making them easier to read and manage. Moving on, the formula editing. These groups is essential for verifying troubleshooting your formulas, starting with the trace percentage or dependency to map out sales dependencies, followed by show formulas to display all formulas on your sheet for quick overview. Then use error checking for evaluate formulas to define and resolve issues efficiently, ensuring accuracy in your calculation. Finally, there is the calculation group, which gives you control over how Excel recalculates formulas. A valuable feature when working with large datasets, choosing between automatic or manual recalculation in calculation option, or select calculate sheet to update only specific sheets, optimizing performance without overloading Excel. Great work. Now let's move on to the data tab to master data management and transformation techniques. The Data tab in Excel streamlines the process of importing, organizing, and refining data. It's grouped to work together to support efficient data management, from bringing in external information to clean and analyzing it. First, the Get and Transform data group helps you to import data from various sources like databases or CSV files and structure it for analysis. Once imported, the query editor allows you to refine this data by removing duplicates or applying filters. Next, the query and connections group lets you manage all active data connections in your workbook, especially useful for updating multiple data sets at once. You can also set refresh properties, ensuring your data stay current and for recurring reports. Moving to the sort and filter group, you can quickly organize data for better readability. Use sort ascending or descending to rank data and custom sort for multi-level organization. Filtering help to isolate specific data points, while clear removes filter to restore your full dataset. Finally, the tools groups offer advanced options for managing data. With data validation, you can set entry rules, remove duplicates, ensure unique entries, text to columns separates data with columns, and flash fill autocomplete patterns, speeding up your data formatting. Great work. Now let's explore the developer tab for advanced automation. The developer tab in Excel is a powerful resource for automating tasks and adding interactive elements and managing advanced data integration. Each groups in this tab enhance Excel's functionality, making workflows more efficient and customizable. First, the code group enables you to create and manage macros and scripts. With the Visual Basic, you can write custom scripts, while Record Macros lets you capture repetitive action. Use relative reference adapts macros to define sales ranges, and macros security helps maintain book safety. Moving on, the control group adds interactive features to your sheet. Use insert to add buttons or checkbox, while properties customize their setting. Design model allows you to edit control without activating them, and run dialog test their functionality. Next, let's focus on two important features in Microsoft Excel: the formula bar and the name box. The formula bar is display the content of the selected cell, whether it's text or numbers or formulas. It's your go-to spot for entering or editing formula directly, making it crucial for managing data efficiently. For example, using formulas bar for to modify calculation or troubleshoot error quickly, ensuring accuracy and control over your data. Next, the name box shows you the reference of the Excel cell, helping you to navigate large workbooks effortlessly. You can type a cell's reference to jump to a specific cell or assign names to ranges, which simplifies formulas to and makes managing large data sets more intuitive. We are almost there. Let's take a quick look at the status bar before moving into the practical part of this tutorial, where we'll tackle Excel exam and interview question with hands-on practice. The status bar located at the bottom of Excel interface provides real-time indicators and quick Excel tools that streamlines your workflow. Starting with the ready indicator, this allows you to uh, show Excel is on standby, awaiting for your next action. Helpful for knowing when Excel is ready for input. Next, we have the caps lock and the num lock indicators. The caps lock and icon confirm uppercase typing, ideal for entering titles, while num locks indicates that numeric keypads is active, making number entry smoother. Then there is the macro recording icon, which appears during the micro recording, reminding you that Excel is capturing each action, great for automating repetitive tasks. Now let's discuss the view option: normal, page layout, and page break preview. The normal view is the best for general editing. The page layout view offers a print preview, and the page break preview lets you adjust page breakers, giving you control of your worksheet layout. Lastly, the zoom slider on the right allows you to zoom in for details or zoom out for full sheet view, offering flexibility in how you view or and work with your data. Now that we have covered the Excel interface, it's time for hands-on practice. We'll tackle common Excel exam and interview question to build the skills you need in any professional setting. Imagine you are in an interview and the interviewer asks you, how would you customize the ribbon to add commands you frequently use? Let's explore the steps. First, right click anywhere on the ribbon and select customize the ribbon. Next, in the Excel option window, choose a tab or create a new custom tab using the new tab button at the bottom. Then add the commands from the left pan uh, to your selected tab on the right by clicking add. After that, reorder the command using the move up and move down button. Finally, click OK to save and view your custom ribbon. And that customize our steps. Great job. Up next, let's dive into managing the quick access toolbar. Imagine you are in an exam and the question reads, how would you add commonly used commands to the access toolbar for easiest access? Let's explore the steps. First, click on the drop down arrow next to the quick access toolbar, then select more commands from the list. Then choose the commands like save as or print review from the left pane and click add to move the commands to the toolbar. Then after that, rearrange their order by using the up and down arrow. Finally, click OK to save changes. And that summarizes our steps. Well done. Let's move on to using Excel freeze pen feature. Imagine in a job interview, you're asked, how would you use freeze pens feature to manage large datasets? Let's explore the steps. First, navigate to the View tab on the uh, on the ribbon. Next, select the row below or the column where you want to freeze. Then click Freeze Pens and choose either freeze top rows or freeze the first column. After that, scroll to see the frozen section remain visible. After that, if you want to unfreeze, just click on the freeze pens and select unfreeze pens. And that's summarize our steps. For quick access to the freeze pens, use Alt WF for Windows or Commands Option F for Mac for quick access to the freeze panes. Awesome work. Next, we will explore customizing the status bar. Imagine you are in an exam and you are asked, how would you customize the status bar to display specific calculations? Let's explore the steps. First, right click on the status bar at the bottom of Excel window. Next, choose the options like sum, average, count from the list. Then to ensure that the options you select are relevant to the data you want to analyze. After that, test the customization by selecting the data to view real-time result. You will see how easy you can analyze all the data you have selected at the bottom. And finally, click outside the menu to confirm your changes. And that summarizes our steps. Great job. Now let's dive into using Excel Zoom feature. Imagine the interviewer asks you, how would you use the zoom feature to adjust your view for large datasets? Let's explore the steps. First, locate the zoom slider at the bottom right corner of Excel. Next, slide it to the left or to the right. For for example, zoom out for bright eye view of your data, or you can click the percentage right beside that and select which percentage is more suitable for you, and finally adjust until you satisfies with your view. And that summarize our steps. Well done. Next, let's explore page breaks, essential for organizing documents layout. Imagine you are in exam and you are asked, how would you use the page break preview to adjust your spreadsheet for printing? Let's explore the details. First, go to the View tab and select Page Break Preview. Next, drag the line to adjust where the page breaks occur. Then, switch to Page Layout to view how your adjustment appear. After that, adjust the column weights or the row heights for perfect fit. Finally, print a preview to confirm everything looks correct before printing. And that summarize our steps. Good work. Next, let's tackle conditional formatting. Imagine you are asked in an interview, how would you use conditional formatting to highlight sales figures over certain threshold? Let's explore the steps. First, select the range of sales data. Next, go to the home and click conditional formatting. Then choose the highlight rule, sales rule, and select greater than. After that, enter the threshold value, for example, 1000, and select the highlighted color. After that, click OK. And that's easy. And you will see any number greater than 1000 will highlight. And that summarize our steps. Great job. Next, we'll dive into inserting tables. Imagine the examiner asks you, how do you convert range of data into Excel table? Let's explore the steps. First, select the range of data. Then navigate to the Insert tab and click Table. Then confirm that my table has headers by clicking OK to apply table format. And that will convert your data to Excel table. And that summarizes our steps. Great, let's jump into using data validation next. Imagine you are asked, how would you set up data validation to restrict entries to numbers between 1 and 100? Let's explore the steps. First, select the cells where you want to restrict data entry. Next, go to the Data tab and select Data Validation. Data tab, and here is Data Validation. Then choose whole number in the Allow dropdown. After that, set the minimum to 1 and the maximum to 100. Finally, click OK to apply the restriction. And that summarize our steps. And great job, everyone. That was our final question in this tutorial. In part 4 of our Excel series, we'll explore workbooks and worksheets, covering its essential aspects along with key exam and interview questions. Don't miss it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any update. Share this with your friends to improve their Excel skills. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep excelling.